Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the unboxing and first look after an unboxing of POIQ, that is previous year question book of Electronics Volume 1, Volume 2 by GATE Academy. So without any delay, let's start the unboxing. First, see how the great packing is done by GATE Academy. Very neat and clean. In order to give maximum safety to the product, and you will also receive your product in this type of packing. Here they have also mentioned that please create a video while unboxing, and many of you would think why unboxing video should be made. So the answer is, in case of any issue, it would serve as a proof and will help in getting a quick solution, and they would also be happy to know about our unboxing experience. So the first thing I see after packaging is this. That is the previous year question book of Electronics Volume 1 and Volume 2. See how thick the book is, both Volume 1 and Volume 2. And how the quality of book is. Now we will open this plastic wrapping. So now I will see what is inside this both book Volume 1 and Volume 2 one by one. So let's keep this aside. First, Volume 1. First, see the bindings. It is done very well, and as you can see, it will not get torn very easily, and it is very heavy also and will be very durable. Okay, so on the outer cover we can see that Electronics and Communication Engineering topic previous 35 years GATE question with detailed solution contains diligent solutions of GATE previous year questions from 1987 to 2000. Also useful for EE, that is Electrical Engineering branch, and IN branch students because of their common subjects. This book is also value additions for ESE, PSUs, ISRO, DRDO, BARC, DMRC, state AE exams, and official GATE Academy publication hologram exclusively with synopsis. Here in this book they have exclusively given with synopsis, that is with 35 years of GATE. So now we will see this from inside. First page, contains all India rank toppers of various years 2017, 2018, 2019 and 2020. Page 2 contain this colorful page, and the quality of page is also good. And now here the price, 1500 per volume, that is volume 1 of electronics. I have also pre-booked, so I got both the books at 1500 rupees. So here Umesh Dande sir is very thankful to their family, and they have mentioned their names. And now we can go to next page. Here importance of GATE, that is admissions to different universities, institutions, and selection in PSU, foreign universities through GATE, NITs and etc. PhD fellow program in management. And here the GATE exam pattern is given: multiple choice, multiple selective, numerical answer type. So here what is special about this book? First, search for QR code in the Google Play app, and then download and install any QR scanner given QR code for a particular question. Visit the link generated and you will be redirected to the video solution. So this is the specialty of this book, and they have revised for this year and they will be revising. Here GATE syllabus is given. Section 1 Engineering Mathematics, Network and Signal Systems, Electronic Devices, Analog Circuits, Digital Circuits, Control System, Communications, Electromagnetics and General Aptitude. Preface. And now the content of this volume 1: Network Theory, Signal System, Digital Electronics, Control System, Engineering Mathematics. The next 5 subjects will be in volume 2. So here mass distribution of network theory in previous year GATE papers, chapter 1, that is network theory, and solutions. Now see the specialty, where the specialty is. Key points. Here this is the specialty, and for particular solutions they have also given QR code. Okay, concept of absorbed and delivered power. Here you can scan the video for explanation, concepts, and now see other units as well. Unit 3, 2-port network, video solution. Their answer keys, resonance, solution, and now we can move to volume 2. Okay, now we have volume 2, same as the cover page of not same, similar, and similar descriptions have given. Here also volume 1 GATE rankers, volume 2 Electronics and Communication Engineering, topic wise GATE solutions 1987 to 2021. And this book also is of 1500 rupees. Now see the contents. Okay, here content: electronic devices and circuits, first; analog electronics, second; electromagnetic theory, third; communication systems, fourth; general aptitude, fifth. And here electronic and devices, circuits. Okay, they have also given general aptitude here: verbal ability and numerical ability. Marks distribution for various previous year GATE papers. Unit 1. Okay, now I am finding the QR code and key points here. Okay, key points are given. Scan for video solution. They have given this key points, that is synopsis. They are updating very much and upgrading also. So I am just seeing that is the quality of pages are very good and the book is also very colorful. Okay, performers of GATE Academy in ESE 2020 science and results are here. They are the toppers, and this is the back side. Here various programs are given like classroom or video on demand, tablet course, pen drive, etc. You can also connect to Facebook, YouTube, and their address and etc. are given here. Volume 1's backside is also here. So this was the first look of GATE Academy previous year question books of volume 1 and volume 2. Thank you for watching. So this was the first look and unboxing of previous year GATE book of Electronics and Telecommunication volume 1 and volume 2 by GATE Academy. Hope you liked my video. Please like and comment and share and do subscribe. Thank you.